Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. Today is Friday, August 10th. I am finally back from my month-long sabbatical. It's time to get mother radical.
Boo this man!
Like I said, it is August 10th, and this is an important date in my life. It is my mama, Roxana's birthday. So shout outs to my mom one time for birthing the greatest human being alive. I joke, my mom is one of a kind. If you're Italian like me, you know how Italian mothers are. And I am the apple of her eye. But enough of that. We are back today with a brand new pickup. We're going to do this unboxing, review, and on foot. Before we get into this unboxing, just something I want to touch on. I haven't been active on my channel in like 4 weeks. I think it's been a month. I think the last thing I did was the Desert Camo Air Max 1. And I want to apologize. On one hand, I want to apologize for being gone for a month. But then on the other, I don't. It's summer. And I was out living my best life. And I feel somewhat obligated to say sorry to viewers and give an explanation on why I've been absent. But at the same time, you know, I was just, going through personal stuff. And I don't feel like, I'm wrong for stepping away from the channel. And, I'm thinking of ways to make this channel different. I don't want to just be sneaker unboxings. And it's for a few reasons. One, I pay for all my sneakers. It's an expensive habit as is. And then to try to keep up with like these bigger sneaker YouTubers who are constantly getting sneakers seeded and gifted to them, it's just way too expensive for me to even try to dive into that realm. Two, I want this channel to be more about my life and more, about my day-to-day than just me unboxing sneakers. So I was, kick back, relaxing, spending a lot of time down at the Jersey Shore, trying to think of ways to make this channel grow and make this channel move even further. My last reason, there hasn't been too many sneakers to drop in the past month that I felt like I needed to get, and I haven't bought sneakers. I can honestly say the last pair of sneakers I bought was the last video I did, and that was the Desert Camo Air Max 1. That all changes today. Shout outs to the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. Always coming through in the clutch. These sneakers actually came out last week, and for whatever reason, I forget exactly what the reason is. I have no idea why I wasn't able to buy these sneakers last week. But as luck would have it, people slept on them, and I was able to go grab my pair today. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse. All these Warlocks. We got that Air Max 95 in the ERDL Party black colorway. And when I first seen that these were releasing and seen that Lapstone was getting the black pair, I had to jump on these. You guys know how I feel about Air Max. This camo print is crazy. It's pretty much got every colorway of the traditional ERDL camo we've seen throughout the world. And I know a lot of people are like, what the hell is ERDL stand for? And I'm going to tell you, it's not a Nike acronym. It's actually from the United States Army, and that's where the traditional camo print was made. And they're the ones that created it, and it stands for Engineer, Research, and Development Laboratories. So that's what this camo print is actually called. I know traditionally, most places and people just call it camo. And then you have like the desert camo and snow camo, tiger camo, etc. But the actual term for the traditional camouflage is ERDL. So it's not a Nike acronym. And as you can see, it is canvas. All the camo is canvas. On the right shoe, on the outside, it's the purple, the traditional, that like blue color camo. Then you got the snow camo, yellow on the eyelets, and then pink on the back, and again yellow on the bottom. Then on the inside, you got the orange camo, the purple camo, that beach camo again, and then finally you have that burgundy gray, black, and white camo. And then on the left shoe, it is just the same thing, but backwards. The colors that are on the inside right are on the outside left. But on this ERDL Party, we got suede throughout the toe box. You got the engineered mesh up top above the eyelets, and like I said, the yellow camo goes throughout the top under the mesh. And then all of the camo pattern throughout the upper is made of canvas. The insole's even camo. I'm not going to take it out, but you guys can get a look. You got camo on the insole, blacked out Air Max branding on the tongue, black Nike Air branding on the back, and black Nike Air branding on the bottom. That's it, guys. I'm going to get out of here. We're going to go do the on foot. I'll actually be back tomorrow with another unboxing review and on feet. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats. Richie Ruckus Beats.